Okay, so look, true DMV stories.
Action!
True DMV stories. So, me and her, we get it, we get it in and shit. But I gotta be like a fucking porn director. Gotta tell the bitch what position, how I like hitting that shit.
Look in the camera.
Oh, they talking to me.
No, I'm saying you tell the shorty.
Yeah, I gotta do that, and like, I can easily whip out my phone, the iPhone, and just, fuck.
You should.
But I'm like, I could easily record that jump and sell it. I mean, she can ride and shit. I gotta be like, yo, alright, get on top of me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, talk now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Let me hit it from the back. Like, I hate having to tell a motherfucker that. You know what I'm saying? Like, bitch, dude,
spin the bitch around.
Man, I got a manhandle bitch just for her to get loose. But I'll tell you this though. When she ride that thing, that motherfucker, you know how most girls just go up and down. She be like, whop, 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 doing the whop, son. Swear to God.
Oh.
Swear to God, dog. Always.
Alright.
I mean, but I
This
tell you.
nigga looked away. I'm for sure he got one fucking time.
Let me tell you how real niggas do it. And I tell niggas all this. Real nigga at least get about 7 to 10 strokes before he throw that latex on. And that's word. That's word. That's real shit. Any nigga that say he don't, he a fucking lie. But
I don't. Strap up, that is.
Get it right there.